Good afternoon, all of you. How all of you are today? I hope all of you are fine and doing well. So today we will learn about how to make Maxel dressing, in which we required magnesium sulfate powder, then bandage, then glycerin pure solution, and Gamgee roll. Then firstly we have to take one bowl, in which we have to pour some amount of magnesium sulfate powder. Now we have to add some glycerin pure solution in it to dissolve that magnesium sulfate powder. Okay, now we have to boil that mixture, and you can use a spoon also for properly dissolve that magnesium sulfate powder in it. Okay, and when magnesium sulfate is fully dissolved, then you have to wait for smaller period of time to make it cool. Okay, so because we have to put some bandage in it, after that we have to place that bandage to the patients where patient having swelling, so we don't have to give him burning sensation. Because of this reason we have to properly cool all this mixture. So we take 6-inch bandage because we have to cover patient's femur bone till the ankle. Okay, femur bones ending and till the ankle. So that's why we take 6-inch bandage. You can take accordingly. Okay, so there are 4-inch bandage, 5-inch bandage, and 6-inch bandage respectively. So you can take how much you needed. There is also second technique which is quite easy than this, where you just have to take small bowl in which you have to pour how much amount of glycerin pure solution you needed. You have to take that and you just have to boil it. After boiling you have to add some magnesium sulfate powder in it. Then you have to mix that solution with the spoon. Then you have to place bandage in it and wait for 10 to 15 minutes. In that time period bandage will soak some amount of that solution, and then you have to again wait for some period of time, make it cool. Okay, because you don't have to give again burning sensation to the patient. For that you have to wait, and then you have to apply. So this is second technique. So let's get back on the first technique. So now we just place that bandage and properly open it and soaked it in properly that mixture. So again we have to roll it because we have to apply this bandage to the patients. So if you have properly roll it, so it will easy to apply to the patient. So now I guess you guys know whole first and second thing. Why we do the Maxel dressing? So we use Maxel dressing to treating the inflammation and acne. Thirdly and main purpose is it will reduce swelling little bit, and it will make that pus stored in a one location, which we will remove by one smaller incision. If you really like this video, please do subscribe, like, share and comment, and thanks for watching.